Banks have been bleeding you dry for years. Hidden fees, endless paperwork, frozen accounts, and systems designed not to serve you, but to control you. Every time you think about unlocking your money, you face walls, delays, invisible guards that make freedom a joke. You're tired of waiting while the world moves faster, tired of trusting middlemen who profit from your sweat. It's infuriating, wanting to move your own money freely but being trapped by outdated rules, sluggish bureaucracy, and the iron grip of banks that treat your wealth like their personal game. That anger, that frustration, it's valid. But here's the brutal truth. Nothing will change unless you stop playing by their rules. Crypto wallets? They are not some future fad. You have in your hands the keys to reclaiming control, to shattering these chains. And yes, most people will tell you that banks will never be replaced. But guess what? They're wrong. The truth is, crypto wallets are not just tools. They are weapons against the system. They give you control over your money 24/7. No permissions required. No middlemen freezing your assets or marginalizing your wealth. You want proof? Look at how DeFi is exploding. People lending, borrowing, trading, and growing wealth without a single bank stepping in. The power is raw, unfiltered, and in your hands. But here's where the real fight begins. Don't get fooled by flash wallets promising the moon while compromising your security. Your first unbreakable rule: never store your private keys online or on exchanges. You own your money only when you own your keys. Cold wallets, hardware wallets, are your fortress. No hacker, no bureaucrat can touch what's offline. Secure your holdings like a fortress, because one weak link and everything crumbles. This is your frontline defense. If you don't do this, all hope is lost. Stop risking your wealth for convenience. Use cold wallets like a pro, just like top investors do. Next, your battle strategy. Diversify your crypto assets and your wallets. Don't put all your eggs in one digital basket. Spread your wealth across multiple wallets, different chains, and use smart contracts to earn while you sleep. This is not just investing, it's survival. The centralized banks crush every opportunity to spread risk, but crypto wallets let you build your financial fortress brick by brick, ledger by ledger. From stablecoins that safeguard against market chaos to high-risk tokens that multiply your gains, the game changes when you're in full control. And here is the secret weapon nobody talks about enough. Embrace interoperability, but on your terms. Connect wallets, link DeFi platforms, but never sacrifice your sovereignty for convenience. The bright future of finance is open, global, without borders. No flag, no gatekeeper, no false promises. Build your network of wallets and assets, but always keep the master key with you. This is freedom. This is power. For founders and investors watching this, stop thinking of banks as partners and start treating them like rivals to outsmart. Crypto wallets are your battlefield tool to break free from legacy systems that have held innovation hostage for decades. Use them smartly, secure them relentlessly, and expand your digital reach fearlessly. You are not dependent on any nation, any state, any system. You belong only to your mission, your capital, your ideas, your future, locked in your hands, nowhere else. The world tells you to wait, to comply, to play small. But your rage, your hunger for more, demands action, now. Begin by mastering security. Get yourself the best hardware wallet on the market today. Set up multiple wallets with clear, smart diversification rules you stick to like law. Learn how to safely move assets across chains and earn passive yields without giving control away. Burn the old playbook. There's no place for blind trust anymore. Your digital freedom depends on relentless self-education and fierce self-governance. One last truth to grip tightly. Banks can be replaced, but only if you stop being a spectator. You have to be the builder, the sovereign owner, the relentless learner peeling back every layer of this new financial landscape. Crypto wallets are not just a tool, they are the battlefield. Your choice is clear. Stay shackled and erode your power slowly, or seize total control now and become the future that the old world fears. No hesitation, no excuses. Own your wallets, own your future, own your freedom. It's time to break the bank, for real.